For as long as I can remember, there's always been something different about me. Some kind of power that I can't explain. It definitely has nothing to do with the $4,000 my parents gave me.
You don't understand. This bot cops so easily. I have no other choice!
Someone once said, with great power comes great responsibility. But how do you know what kind of effect that power will have on the ones you love? I knew this would be the most important choice I've ever made in my entire life. I know why I was given these powers. To single-handedly ruin resell. I knew it wouldn't be easy, but this is the life I've chosen for myself.
It's gonna be a surefire hit at the box office. So much drama and great acting too. Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to the YouTube channel that I'm doing for fun and stuff.
Yeah.
Pals, welcome back. Thanks for all the support. You dudes and dudettes are the lifeblood of this channel, and I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new to the channel or just hopping on in because you saw that it was the kind of video that it is, welcome. I'm SB Mitch. I unbox things here and I make a lot of mistakes. It happens because I'm dumb. But if you dig what's going on, you can go down below where it says subscribe and click that, or tap where it says subscribe, and you'll be subscribed. You'll be a pal. You'll be a pal of the SB Mitch YouTube channel. There's really no perks. We just have fun and tell dad jokes and stuff. As you could tell from the thumbnail and the title, this is a $1,000 Soul Steals hype box. What exactly is that? Well, I'll give you the short answer. Soul Steals is a part of Soul Supremacy, which is a shop in the Bay Area of California, the best shop in the country in my opinion. But it costs $20 a month, gives you access to Shoes Under Market, Supreme and Bape Under Market, and these hype boxes, which are just mystery boxes of hyped items that you can flip or keep. It's up to you. You're in control. So we're gonna open this thing up and see what's going on. Maybe make some money, maybe find some cool stuff.
Let's do it!
Before we get into this thing, I will say that when I was carrying this thing, I did notice this is definitely the heaviest hype box I've ever gotten. So there's probably a lot of stuff in here, which means the shoe is probably not a really expensive shoe, but hey, that's totally fine with me. So first thing out, let's see. It's an accessory. It's in a unmarked white box. Oh, cool. All right. Dig these. I actually think I got these myself. These are the Supreme stacking cups. I think these are like 6 ounces each. For those of you who have been followers of the channel, you may have heard me mention that I used to work in coffee. These are awesome to pour lattes in, so I might do that one day if I ever get back into coffee. I don't really know the value on these yet. I would assume it's probably about 80, 90 bucks, maybe more. The thing with Supreme is the longer you hold a lot of stuff, the higher the price goes. There's the first item, stacking cups from this year. I think this was a week 1 thing too. Probably, maybe week 1. Yeah, it was definitely a week 1 item. Pretty cool. Next up, another accessory. Really excited about this. Yeah, sweet. I could tell by the sounds it was making, but this is a lockbox. I had one of these before when I was still living in Portland. Sold them to a fella in Australia, so that went internationally. I don't know what the current value on these are. I knew it was about 120 bucks last time I checked, but this is a really cool item. The accessories that Supreme comes out with seem to move quicker. I'm really happy about this pickup though. So item number 2 is a Supreme lockbox. I think that's gonna do it on the accessories. I think everything else is like clothing from here on out. So this first thing here, it's unopened. I'm not gonna open it. It's a large Supreme Fox jersey. This is from the Fox collaboration from, I want to say, like 3 weeks ago. I think there were helmets and like gloves and stuff. Fox is a motocross company. I don't really know what the value on these are because I didn't try to get any of them. I don't really actually know what it looks like either. I'll have to look it up, or that's what it looks like. It's news to me. So size large Supreme Fox jersey. After that, ooh, it's a big blue Cordura duffel bag. This is massive. These things are actually really nice quality. I have the Cordura backpack in stock at ransomnosteers.com. Blue is kind of a goofy color. Retail on this was $168. I would imagine these are probably like $190 to $200. It's a good time of year to sell these kind of things too, because a lot of people are going to be traveling for vacation and stuff. So, large royal blue Supreme Cordura duffel. It's actually a really awesome box. I don't know about value-wise, but I like the stuff in here. Hey, look at that. This is my third of these, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. Size large Supreme Friends tee. It's got a little dodo bird going on here, a frog, and a turtle. They all don't look happy, but trust me, they're happy because they are friends. So size large, unworn, obviously. This is my third of these. I have 3 of these now. Buy one, please. After that, this is the DIGI TEE. I want to say this is a blue or a black. I can't really tell because I'm blind. DIGI TEE, oh, I want to say black. It's either black or really, really dark navy. Can't really tell. It's probably black. Yeah, it's black. All right, cool. Size large, unworn, DIGI TEE. I know these go for about 90 bucks, maybe a little bit more. So have another one of those in heather gray. After that, oh yes! Oh, it's white though, that stinks. This is a Supreme Thrasher boyfriend tee. I'm going to show you the thing on this because it's on the side, but it's a really cool picture that's on the side of this. So it's like in the Andy Warhol era art style. It says, "Oh God, why can't my boyfriend skate?" Skate and destroy on the back. This is a really cool shirt. I like how it says Supreme along the side. If this was black or gray, it would be staying. I'm not too big on white shirts. I'm gonna have to think this one over. I don't know the value on this, probably like 80 bucks or so. Really cool. After that, this is a Supreme large, what color would this be? Lavender maybe? It's the Champion, Be a Champion, Stay in School crew neck. Not much to say about these. This came out in the early spring summer 2018 collection with the Champion apparel. Gonna be a hard sell on this color. I don't know what these are worth, but I can't imagine too much more than retail, which I think retail was like 128 maybe. But Supreme Champion crew neck in a very purple-ish color. And the last thing we got in here is a Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro, size 11. It's a pair of the Homage to Home Air Jordan 1s. You can see it's the split design here. I do have a couple pairs of these myself for sale. Yeah. Not a huge amount of resale on this, probably like 220 to 240 bucks, especially in this size. I do know smaller sizes are selling a lot better, but the leather is really nice on this pair, I will say. Size 11 Air Jordan 1 Homage to Home. And there's your box. So let's take a minute and go through what exactly was in this $1,000 Soul Steals hype box. One more time, we had a size 11 Nike Air Jordan 1 Homage to Home, a size large Champion Supreme Be a Champion Lavender crew neck, a size large Supreme DIGI TEE, really dark blue or black, can't really tell because I'm blind, a size large Supreme Friends tee in red, a size large Supreme Boyfriend tee in white, a royal blue Supreme Cordura duffel bag, a size large Supreme Fox Racing jersey, a Supreme lockbox, and a set of 4 Supreme stacking cups. I really like that there were more accessories in this box than normal. I don't know if it's going to make me any money. We'll see what happens. I think this box is probably going to be about what I paid for it. But let's see right now in the breakdown. So there it is, plain as day. what the possible profit on this box is. These boxes aren't really meant to make you a whole lot of profit. They're just things that you can flip real quick. So very satisfied with this box. The stuff that's in here is pretty good. I don't think I'll have any problem moving any of it. Big ups to Soul Steals. Check them out, soulsteals.com. Even bigger ups to you, pals, for watching these things. A lot of this stuff is going to be, and a whole bunch of other stuff is currently for sale on my website, ransomnotesneakers.com, or the shortened version, rnsmnote.com. You can check that out. Restocks every Friday. Some of this stuff is going to be on there tomorrow, so you should probably check that out if you want. You don't have to. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. Let me know down below if you thought this box was any good. And also, let me know down below what 3 questions you want me to answer in the next haul video, because it's your time to ask me. You can ask me whatever you want. You can ask me about current trends in streetwear and sneakers. You can ask me about anything that has to do with my collection. You can ask me my feelings on sandwiches. What kinds I like. What kinds I think are dumb. Anything you want. I'll pick 3 of the best questions, or the ones that I will think will be fun to answer in the next video. So even say hi if you just want to. That's pretty cool. So we'll have a haul series for you next week, early in the week. So until then, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and remember, they're just shoes. If you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because it's the easiest way to be happy. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye!